People all across the country and back here in Western New York will be recognizing International Overdose Awareness Day tomorrow.
To talk more about this day, we are joined by Shelby Arena, the harm reduction coordinator for the Matters Network. Shelby, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks so much for having me.
So first, I just want to ask you, given the work you do with Matters Network, I want to ask you, why you think Overdose Awareness Day is so important.
So when we talk about Overdose Awareness Day, it's really a day for friends and family to have an opportunity not only to grieve, to be in community with one another, but to connect with resources, to be able to spread awareness. Something that's a big barrier to treatment is stigma. So even having this conversation, being able to be here today is a great way to address that.
And the Matters Network does so much in terms of, use a word like resources. People perhaps don't know about all the resources that are available from Matters and all the work that you guys do. And I know it's a lot, so we're not going to be here for the next half hour talking to Shelby about this, but if you could briefly summarize some of the things that you do that help our community and that people see you as a resource, right?
Definitely. So our main resource, we have our hotline. It's 24/7, 365. It's 765 Matters. And through that line, you can connect with a provider. You can be evaluated for medication-assisted treatment, and then you'll be connected to an outpatient clinic within 72 hours, which is kind of unheard of. So we make sure to facilitate that transition. We also provide medication vouchers if you're uninsured or underinsured. We provide transportation vouchers to get you to that first appointment. We do follow-ups. We make sure all of those different barriers are addressed.
And you guys are out in the community. Something big you guys also do, overdose response training. Why is that so important?
So with the rising number of overdose-related deaths, it's a super important way to address that. For bystanders to know how to utilize Narcan, to be able to recognize an overdose and feel comfortable utilizing this medication. It's super quick, it's simple and easy, so it's a great way to kind of solve that issue.
And the Erie County Health Department just a short time ago, maybe a couple of weeks or what have you, did a press conference, spoke to the public about the urgent need of awareness, of resources, because people are dying at a record rate yet again. Here we are, back to almost levels of 2015 and 2016, when we all as a community agreed that this was a pandemic. Here we are again, back to those same numbers. What can we do? What can the average person out there do?
So awareness is first and foremost the biggest thing that we can do. Learning how to recognize the signs of an overdose, get Narcan trained, carry Narcan. We believe that every first aid kit should have Narcan in it. And then to have these conversations, kind of address that stigma and support folks that everyone is touched by addiction and overdose. Even if you don't know it, it's all around us.
And elaborate that. How do we address this stigma as the opioid crisis, just keeps on evolving?
Yeah, so, studies have shown that stigma is one of the #1 barriers to seeking care. So if someone feels like they're going to be judged or talked down upon, they're not going to make that appointment to get treatment. And so just having these conversations, making people know that it's a normal thing. It happens to, a lot of folks. It doesn't reflect on your character. And being supportive to folks around you.
I think normalizing it is important too, because when you see situations like last week or the week before, when the county said, hey, this cocaine that is being used right now by people in our community, it is laced with fentanyl. And people who are not familiar with the drug culture perhaps are thinking, well, just don't use drugs. It's not that simple. It is raising awareness and letting people know that there's a bad batch out there and there are resources to save your life.
Exactly, and that just goes to show how much it's changing rapidly.
Right.
And before we let you go, can you tell us a little bit how people can, learn more, get their hands on Narcan?
Definitely. So you can go to our website, which is mattersnetwork.com. You can order fentanyl test strips as well as Narcan shipped straight to your door. We're also available via our 24/7 hotline, 765 Matters.
Excellent. And all of this stuff is free. You get boxes of these Narcan sprays, nasal strips, the test strips, so that people can test the drugs that they're going to use. They're going to use them anyway. You might as well know what's in them. It could save your life. Shelby, thank you so much for being here. We really appreciate it.
Thank you again.
News 4 at 4.